What we're going to do is transfer the bees from this nuke box into this regular hive. 10 days ago, this hive swarmed and went up on the roof, and we got a video of the bees up there when they went into the nuke box. Now this nuke box has been sitting here for 10 days. See the brood ready to hatch out.
Both sides.
On both sides. Plenty of bees. There she's got brood laid in there. The young brood is just showing, and they're drawing that out. We have 2 frames that are just foundation. I'm going to put those on the outside so they can work them later.
This is a brand new hive too. We just, well, not brand new, we painted it and got a new bottom board for it and a new top cover, so. That first frame on the bottom toward you, Dad, is still up. No, the one towards your knee, there, it's up, the first one. Right over here, that one there. See, there you go.
So they're ready to go.
Do you want to dump these bees out of here? There's quite a few in there. No? Okay.
They'll go in by themselves. So that hive is ready to go. We'll slide that nuke box away because they don't know where to go until we get this hive back where it belongs.
Let me move it, Dad? You got it. You might need to pull it back just
We got to pull it back.
Here, let me do it, Dad.
No.
Okay.
That's all right.
Yep.
How's that?
You're crooked. Here, I'm gonna. As you can see, they're coming out of the inner cover. We're gonna put the top cover on here now. We got the hive centered. And
they're ready to go.
They're actually flying in the entrance already. So what we're going to do is maybe dump these guys out. So I'm going to pause this for a minute. What we did is we decided to just put the hive on the side, and they should come out of there and crawl into the new hive. They seem to be doing pretty good right now. So they're still flying in, they're coming in, no problem. They are landing underneath a little bit, but they are eventually going in the hive. So that's a good job. Okay, there's the final product. The old nuke box is here. We fixed the bottom board here coming into the hive so they can just land. And we put a little bit of partial entrance there so it cuts down some of the airspace going in. And as you can see, beekeeper taking a rest there. So this hive is completely done, and they're ready to rock and roll. And we gave them a lot to start with, and they should be going pretty good. They got a lot of brood that's going to be hatching out pretty soon, so I think this is going to be a strong colony.